Hi. So you guys are coming with me to help me pack. Not help me pack, but you're gonna watch me pack. So backstory, it does look like a mess here because I kind of started and then I was like, oh, let me like include you guys in this. But I'm packing to go to a very, very, very cold area, North Dakota. I've never been in a state like this before, or an area where it's like gonna be this cold. So I have some things ready to go, some outfits planned. I'm just gonna put all this, but I'm gonna try to fit it in my carry-on. So you guys gonna watch me struggle. Let's go. I don't even know where to start. Okay. Let's start with clothes. So I already have my outfits, and I've watched videos and they said the best way to pack your clothes is by rolling them. So I'm just gonna be rolling my clothes. And I'm packing 2 outfits to work out in because I love to work out. So these jeans are my favorite. They're the Topshop Premium Mom jeans. And this is in the size, what size is this? 26, which is a size 4. So next is, I'm gonna be wearing this gray tracksuit. I got it from H&M, and I, for the most part, love sweats. Great. So I'm bringing this belt. I got this belt from ASOS, and yeah, it's like my favorite belt. The gold is kind of like scratching off of it, but you can't really tell unless you look closer. So I think eventually I'll invest in a better suit. Okay, oh, this sweater, this is from, where is it from? This is from H&M. Oh, I'm gonna pack my scarf, and this scarf is like a really, it's not like crazy big, but it's pretty long, and it's a wool scarf that I got from And Other Stories. Alright, so throughout the airport, I'll be wearing this jacket. This is from Aritzia. And it's the babaton slouch coat, so I'll be wearing this throughout the airport. But this, I'm bringing this puffer jacket just in case my body's like, bitch, you crazy. I have this puffer coat. This is also from the website Aritzia. Okay, so I changed angles because I felt like this angle was better, so we're gonna stick to this angle. All right, yeah, this is way better. All right, so next I have my makeup. I'm gonna start, I already actually have packed and ready. So I just brought the necessities, my version of necessities that I use to do my face daily, which usually includes my brushes, lip pencil, mascara, facial spray, my bronzer, my go-to bronzer, my sponge. The foundation that I am going to be bringing is it's 2. It's the YSL All Hours foundation and the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Weightless foundation. These 2 are probably my favorite. I'm wearing the Bobbi Brown right now, and it makes my face look amazing. This thing, so I've had this for a very long time, which is why it's dirty. But I love this thing. I love things like this because you can fit a lot in it and it takes up the least amount of space, in my opinion, from all the times that I travel. So I'm just gonna pack like everything that I would use to like wash my body, do my face stuff, like my face care, things like that. So I'm gonna pack that now. So honestly, when I'm packing, I have no type of organization whatsoever. I just go by, okay, if I'm getting ready for the day, what do I need? And then since it's gonna be really cold weather, I think about, okay, what am I forgetting? So I already know that I didn't add like my thermals, my hats, things to cover my ears in there, but I have it right in front of me in this box. I'm gonna add that later. Alright, so in here I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, razor for my mustache, body wash, and deodorant. Forgot about body lotion. So that is what I'm going to put in that container. I'm putting it in here, and then my hair stuff and my face stuff, like facial care. So what I'm going to put here is my makeup mirror. And I got it from Amazon. It opens up like this, and it comes with a stand. So I'm just gonna put these here because I'm gonna put the jacket on top. All right, next I'm just packing the earrings some of the jewelry that I'm going to be wearing. And what I'm going to do is I have this box. So for the most part, all the jewelry that I usually wear is in this box anyway. So I'm just gonna put like extra stuff in here, like some necklaces. Like I always wear like these kinds of earrings, like these hoop earrings, not too big, or like smaller ones. I wear smaller, like some rings like this. Which one's my favorite? I think I really love this one. I like the really small dainty earrings. And since I never really know what earring, what jewelry am I gonna put with my stuff, I just kind of like bring everything that I usually like. I'm definitely gonna bring this, or I'll more likely wear it, so that way it's one less thing that I have to have. I am bringing my band to work out. Okay, so this is the part of the video that I said I was gonna add later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my boots in here now, because these and my Converses are the only things that I'll be wearing while I'm there. So I'm just gonna fit my boots here. And they kind of fit pretty okay. So next are my cold weather stuff. So usually like my thermals, I'll keep them in this bin. And I can't say usually because I'm in Texas right now and we usually don't even need this stuff. But I knew that we were going to be flying there, and I kind of want to be prepared since it is going to be the place that we are going to be living at or moving to. So some extra things I'm going to be bringing with me is this to cover my ears. This is from Aritzia. So almost everything in here is from Aritzia. I have these socks. So they're made of 25% wool and 54% cotton. And I'm not 100% sure if this is something to wear while I'm out, but I already have wool socks on its way over here from Amazon, and they're thinner. So I think this will probably be something I'll wear to bed instead of out and about. Gloves. These are the Heat Tech range from Uniqlo, and they're just regular black gloves. My Heat Tech thermals from Uniqlo. This one is kind of like lined inside, and I didn't really like it at first because it wasn't like, it was pretty tight on my thighs. So luckily I had ordered 2 different kinds of leggings from the Heat Tech. So I have my long sleeve. So you're probably wondering, like, what shoes are you gonna wear there through the airport and there? So I'm bringing my Converses, and they have like this like furry insole that I got from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I put these inside. I got them from Amazon. They are like fur or fleece lined, and I definitely believe that these are going to keep my feet warm even though it's Converses. Alright, so I was successful, completed the mission, so very proud of myself. So this is what I will be all bringing with me to the airport. My carry-on bag, my Polene bag, and then I will be wearing my tracksuit, all black, with my Converses and this babaton slouch coat. And then, yeah, once we land, I'll just go to the bathroom, put in my suitcase, get my scarf out and my gloves, and just wrap myself up. One of the things I didn't put in here, and that's because I don't have it, is pre-workout and protein. So I'll probably get enough from the store, putting them in baggies, and then putting it in here. But thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, real, unorganized, not trying to look cute for social media, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe.